Imagine you order a limited edition smartphone online, and when it arrives, you wonder if every component inside is authentic and safely handled. What if you could trace every step of its journey from raw materials to your doorstep with absolute certainty? That's the promise of blockchain in supply chain management, a technology that transforms everyday purchases into verifiable, transparent experiences. Welcome back to EduTube's blockchain series. I'm thrilled to have you join us for the 12th episode of Module 3, where we explore blockchain in supply chain management. Today, we're diving into how blockchain technology, often associated with cryptocurrencies, is revolutionizing the way products are tracked and verified from start to finish. Whether it's the sneakers on your feet or the groceries on your table, every product has a story. And thanks to blockchain, that story is now clearer than ever before. Let's start with the basics. A supply chain is the network that connects producers, manufacturers, transporters, distributors, and retailers to bring a product to you. Traditionally, tracking a product's journey has been challenging due to paper-based records and multiple intermediaries. These traditional methods are prone to errors, fraud, and delays. Enter blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger that records every transaction in a secure and unchangeable way. Imagine the process of buying a bottle of premium olive oil. It all begins at the olive grove, where farmers harvest olives and record essential details such as the harvest date, location, and quality. These details are immediately logged into a blockchain ledger, ensuring that they cannot be altered. Next, the olives are transported to a processing facility where every step, from pressing the olives to bottling the oil, is meticulously recorded. When the bottle reaches the store, you can scan a QR code to view its complete history. This transparency guarantees that the olive oil is authentic and that every stage of its production met high-quality standards. Consider the realm of luxury goods. High-end brands use blockchain to verify the authenticity of their items, preventing counterfeit products from reaching the market. For example, a luxury watch may have every component recorded on the blockchain, from sourcing raw materials to final assembly, so you can be confident that the watch is genuine. Even in industries like pharmaceuticals, blockchain helps trace medicines from production to the pharmacy, ensuring that you receive safe and effective products. Now let's break down how blockchain works in supply chains. Think of it as a continuous digital notebook shared by everyone involved. Every time a product moves from one stage to the next, a new block is created containing all relevant information. These blocks are linked together in a chain that is immutable and secure. Because each block is time-stamped and encrypted, tampering with the record is virtually impossible. This means that every participant, from the producer to the consumer, can trust the information provided. Daily life examples. Imagine buying a box of organic apples. With blockchain, you can scan a code on the packaging to see where the apples were grown, how they were stored, and the entire journey they took to reach the market. This simple action reassures you that your food is fresh and free from harmful chemicals. Similarly, when purchasing a new pair of sneakers, blockchain can reveal details about the materials used, confirming that they are ethically sourced and produced. These everyday applications illustrate how blockchain brings clarity, trust, and efficiency to our daily transactions. Challenges and opportunities. Although blockchain offers remarkable benefits, its implementation in supply chain management is not without challenges. Establishing a blockchain system requires significant investment in technology and training. There are concerns about data privacy, as companies may be reluctant to share detailed operational data. Moreover, as transaction volumes grow, maintaining the blockchain's speed and efficiency becomes more complex. However, these challenges are actively being addressed by innovators. Future advancements such as smart contracts and IoT integration promise to further enhance transparency and streamline supply chains. In summary, blockchain is revolutionizing supply chain management by providing an unalterable, transparent record of every step a product takes from origin to consumer. This technology builds trust, reduces fraud, and ensures that you receive authentic, high-quality products. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of blockchain and supply chain management. If you found this video informative and engaging, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for the next episode in our blockchain series as we continue to explore how this innovative technology is reshaping our world. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the future of transparent commerce. Further insights. The implementation of blockchain in supply chain management represents a paradigm shift in how businesses operate globally. By ensuring that each transaction is recorded in an immutable ledger, blockchain provides a level of accountability previously unseen in traditional systems. This not only mitigates risks related to counterfeiting and fraud, but also enhances operational efficiency by reducing administrative burdens. For instance, companies can eliminate redundant paperwork and streamline processes by automating record-keeping through smart contracts, which execute predetermined actions once specific conditions are met. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from agriculture and manufacturing to pharmaceuticals and luxury goods. Moreover, blockchain fosters greater collaboration among supply chain participants. In a typical supply chain, various parties often work in silos with limited visibility into each other's operations. Blockchain creates a shared platform where all stakeholders can access real-time data, thereby facilitating smoother communication and faster decision-making. This level of transparency not only builds trust among partners, but also enables businesses to respond swiftly to issues such as product recalls or quality control problems, ultimately protecting consumers and enhancing brand reputation. One of the most exciting prospects of blockchain technology is its ability to empower consumers. Imagine being able to verify the origin and journey of every product you purchase with a simple scan of a QR code. Whether you're buying fresh produce, artisanal goods, or even high-tech electronics, blockchain offers you a window into the product's history. This increased visibility can drive consumer confidence, leading to more informed purchasing decisions and encouraging companies to uphold higher standards of quality and ethical practices. In addition to boosting transparency, blockchain can significantly reduce costs. By automating processes and reducing reliance on intermediaries, businesses can save valuable time and resources. These savings can then be reinvested into innovation and quality improvement, creating a more competitive market and driving overall economic growth. As more companies adopt blockchain, the technology is expected to become even more efficient, further lowering the barriers to entry for small and medium-sized enterprises. While challenges remain, such as high initial setup costs and the need for robust cybersecurity measures, the long-term benefits of blockchain in supply chain management are undeniable. As research and development continue, we can expect to see even more sophisticated applications of this technology, paving the way for a future where supply chains are not only transparent and efficient, but also resilient and adaptable to changing market conditions. By embracing blockchain, industries are taking a significant step toward building a more transparent, efficient, and trustworthy global marketplace. The journey toward widespread adoption is just beginning, and the innovations we see today are only a glimpse of what the future holds. Extra details: the future is bright with blockchain. Every day, innovators work tirelessly to push the boundaries of what is possible, ensuring that supply chains become models of transparency and efficiency. As you continue to explore the wonders of blockchain, remember that each technological leap brings us closer to a world where trust and authenticity are the standard. Thank you for being part of this journey with EduTube. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join us next time for more insights into the revolutionary world of blockchain.